public school. I want to tell you about my country, India. The name of my beautiful country is India. In the north is Himalayas, in the south is Indian Ocean, in the east is the Bay of Bengal, and in the west is the Arabian Sea. Tiger is our national animal. Lotus is our national flower. Mango is our national fruit. And Hindi is our national language. India has seventh largest country by area. It has 1.21 billion population. There are 29 states in India. In India, we have Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christian all living together. I like my country and I am proud to be an Indian. At last, I would like to say a few lines for India. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा हम बुलबुले हंस के ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा जय